Thus far, you can test your knowledge. There's two parts to this, where the second part is optional. Scanning and editing. You want to find an object or request a willing person to scan. If the scan is not as desired, you can trim the scan to desired form. If you solidify the scan to printable format, it's possible, or you want to leave the scan as is, you save it to the software and export it to a personal folder. For the second section, printing, most of it just refer to 3D printing orientation and guide on the workshop. Import the model file to Cura, adjust the model to desired size and position, and import the G-code to an SD card and print away. These are just reminders. You are required to take 3D printing workshop anyway, if you want to print after you scan. Accessing 3D systems and software. Well, you'll need to find a box that looks like that. You take the center for the box, and then it may be paper. If there's no paper, refer to the MakeStudio page, 3D scanning workshop, there's a support link. You just plug in the cord. You open the software. It could ask for activation code. If it does, enter the 4-digit code found in the box to activate the scanner. Hardware software issues. If the activation code is missing, refer to the scanner box. Not connecting, try uninstalling and reinstalling the software. And make sure it's sent to software. Any other guides available, you may find them on 3 Systems support pages. Here shows you what happens if your scanner will not connect. If there's no scanner connected, you cannot detect it. It's just error. No 3D camera detected. For more assistance, refer to the support section of the website. This red text, when you want to scan, you would not want to see this. You want to see the black text instead of the red text. Those 2 slides were just supplementary help material. So enjoy scanning. This concludes the 3D scanning workshop.